Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to actually remove table formatting from your Excel sheet or any other Microsoft programs. So first of all guys, I will need you to go here and create a new blank workbook or to go either to your old project to start to complete it, and then we will open. So for example, for me, I will go here and I will go to this table. So now as you can see, this is a table, and for those who don't know how to make one, you can just select like a bunch of areas and click on insert, and then the table will be created. So here it is. Now, how you can change the format of a table? Basically, you can do that by selecting the table itself and then go here to table design. So, if example, if you select it in any part other than the table, it will not show up for you. So make sure that you have selected the table, and this table design option will be in the top of your screen. So now here is the table format, how you can actually change it. Basically there is a bunch of options, so you can actually change it by selecting the whole table and then clicking here. You can go back and like you can select whatever you'd like. So as you can see here, if you want like to make a new table style, you can go through this and make your own table style. If you want like, if you created an old table style and you want to remove it, you can clear it from you by using this. So much more than that. So if you want, for example, to copy the style of this table, you can just go like that, copy, and go anywhere else, paste, and then here you search for form. So don't paste the form. So let's wait formulas and here formatting. So if you want to paste it, you can just go ahead and select it and paste the form wherever you'd like the form to be. So as you can see here, here's the format which is copied into two different columns or rows. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually remove it. If you want to do so, you can just click on the table, go to table design, and then from style you go to clear. So that's how you can actually remove table formatting. So yeah guys, that's all that's into this video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.